it's me Sadrina and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making back to school emergency kits. I'm at Target as usual. Ooh, you can't even see my cart because the camera's so high up. But there it is. Honestly, I'm in the self-care section, which is good. I need to be in the travel aisle because that's where they have all the minis that will actually fit in your mini emergency kit bag. They did their big one with the tree hut section. Ooh, this looks good. As if I need another scrub. I don't, but it all looks so good. If you like Vaseline, they have the mini tubs, $3.49. I'm surprised. Is that all of them or no? This one's $3.49, this one's $2.99. Okay, I guess different prices for different scents. They have the Rosy Lips, Pink Grapefruit, Vanilla Swirl, Arctic Mint, Cocoa Butter, and Original. First of all, I didn't even know they had some of these scents. Hello. Really cute though. I always like Vaseline, but I need a little more than this. And I usually don't bring it out with me. I just keep it in my bathroom. But if you want it, take it. I might want to try one of these EOS sand creams. I usually get the Jergens one, but they have vanilla cashmere. Let me get the cuter designed one. It is $4.49 though, guys. So I'm gonna put it in the basket, but I'm gonna also check in the travel aisle and see if they have more affordable hand creams. But I like something that smells good and actually moisturizes your hands. Yes, EOS. I'm wondering, do they have travel size allergy pills? Because sometimes I'll just have a random reaction to something and then I don't have anything for it. I see motion sickness, Advil, Tylenol, but nothing for allergies. Maybe they just don't have it. Always get yourself a mini hand sanitizer. They have the sprays here. I know some people like that, but for me, the sprays don't feel like they do enough. So I always get the OG squeezable hand sanitizer. The Up and Up is only 99 cents. Purell is $1.99, some $2.29. This one's really cute, BioPure spray. I guess just if you want to jazz it up. It is $4.99 though. But instead of me just keep having to buy the same thing over and over, I get one, and then once I finish the bottle, I get a big hand sanitizer bottle and refill my small one. It works. I'm wondering if I should get another one of these because the last one I got ran out, or if I should just get the regular band-aids. It comes with only 12. It's $2.59. I usually just end up using the band-aids though, because this has gauze, the alcohol wipes, but I already have alcohol at home. So I'll put this in, but I also want to check the aisle where they have more band-aids by themselves. Well, those of you that actually wear tampons, I don't wear them, but it's good that they have them here. This is a great size too. You could just stick a few in your bag and everything's good. How much is this? Tampax $2.99. You guys will have to let me know if this is a good brand or not for the girlies that like them. Oh, look how tiny. Wait a minute, I might actually need this lint roller. Look how small. $1.49. They just know, like, this is so cute. I don't think this would work for my natural hair, but if I have some extensions in, this would be great just to brush your hair a little. You know what I usually bring though? Instead, I use one of the slick back brushes for my natural hair, or when I have leave out. It just works better to smooth everything out. I wonder if anyone needs to bring sunscreen. I usually just put sunscreen on at home and call it a day. Like, I usually never reapply.
Even I have this sunscreen lotion.
The sheer touch. Yeah, I know this specific brand leaves your skin glowy, kind of shimmery. It's cute. In my opinion, yes, everyone should be using sunscreen just for protection, but I think if you're gonna put it in your emergency kit, it's usually for people of lighter skin complexions that need this more. Still looking for the lotions. This Honest one is $2.99. That's small though. I need something bigger. This is what I usually get. Jergens is only $1.49. Aveeno $3.99. I'm not gonna lie, I think I just want to get the EOS one for the scent, just for the fun of it. My only fear is it's not gonna last. Vaseline is $1.59. This is the Vaseline that I always get, this size. And somehow it lasts me the entire year, even beyond that. $2.49. I'm gonna go ahead and get one. Check and make sure no one dipped their finger in it, because people do that. Dry shampoo for your hair. Quick little spray if your hair is getting oily throughout the day. Wait, I gotta look for the deodorants. I see mini Dove. The Dove ones are cute. A lot of people get cucumber, but I'm not sure if I really like cucumber scents. So yeah, powder. I love the powder fresh, shower fresh scents. So Dove is $1.59. The actual deodorant I use is Secret, so maybe I should also get Secret's mini. Secret outlasts sweat and odor. This Dove one looks nice, but it's kind of big. Then again, maybe it'll last longer. Guys, let me know if the Dove deodorant is actually good. I scent tested this one and the Dove, and I think I'm gonna go with this. Okay, we're collecting. People with braces, they like to do this. They have to brush their teeth or pick their teeth after lunch.
Some people without braces still do that.
Yeah. To go mouthwash, oil pulling, keep that breath fresh. Ooh, they have even tinier ones. Oh gosh, okay. These are really mini. If you have a super small emergency kit bag, then you would get something like this. Mega Babe stops chafing. So if you have thicker thighs, you just rub this, and I guess this should be okay. $13.99. Kleenex tissues. I don't really like this packaging though. I like when they make it more vertical, but I'm pretty sure Walmart and Five Below have the vertical one, so I'll just go there. This just makes it harder to grab in my opinion. They kind of look like this. Kleenex has packs that look like this. Hold on, Candid, $1.99. Should I try this? Bamboo tissues, 3-ply. Uh-oh. Should we try some bamboo tissues? Because even before school, I might need some of these for my purse. Guys, just for the fun of it, I'm gonna try these. They have wet ones. Body wipes. These are good to bring just to refresh. Ooh, not tropical splash. I would probably get something sensitive skin. $1.99. I wish they had mini Cottonelle ones. That'd be nice. Hopefully this is small enough to fit in my emergency bag. Good old Tide to Go plus Oxy sticks. I always end up getting these. The way I have at least 3 of these in my dorm storage, and they're all about halfway. I think I just need to stop buying them and finish those off before getting a new one. But I do recommend. It's good for erasing quick stains. They also have wipes. These are a little cheaper if you prefer that. How about Shout? I've never used anything by Shout. Wipe and Go. Cute. Welly has acne patches. If your skin is very acne prone and you want to cover up your blemishes throughout the day, they have this. Chapstick. I can't even remember the last time I used a regular chapstick. Did we ever get these to go Q-tips? I don't think so, but I can't fully think of a scenario where I would need this. Q-tips on the go. And if I did need it, I would just use like a Ziploc bag, put some of my Q-tips in there and call it a day. Wait a minute, NYX has a fat oil body oil? Hold on. This is a hair and body mist. Body oil too, look how shimmery. Okay, this is cute. Like all the makeup brands are all of a sudden coming out with body products. I think that's so cute. Of course, I have to come into the feminine hygiene aisle because you just really never know and you have to stay prepared. I used to always get these Carefree panty liners. I still like these, especially the fact that each of them comes individually wrapped. The thing is, I also really like the brand Kotex. And see, they have liners like this where they're individually wrapped, but I got a pack where they're not, and they're just kind of raw dogging in the box. I'm gonna finish those off. I'm just gonna have to put them in a Ziploc bag for my emergency kit because I don't want to just buy something new when I have so many left in the box. I'm honestly walking away from Always. I just don't think it really helps. It makes your cramps worse. I think they put chemicals in their pads. A lot of people have said this, and when I think about the times that I've worn these, they're kind of right. Whereas when I wear Kotex brand, I have less cramps and it's a little more comfortable. The okay sale. I like Kotex especially for school because they're thinner, but it will still catch everything. So that's my preference. I do know a lot of people also like Honey Pot. I haven't tried this. I know it's Black owned. So one day I do need to try this. I think I'm just a little nervous because the wipes, they kind of burned a little. I'm not gonna lie. The wipes were a little bit
But these are
much.
tampons. Okay.
These are tampons? Oh, they are.
Yeah, someone opened them. Look. Look at that.
Well,
Who did that? They're messing up the product.
why are the Honey Pot ones so small? They don't have...
Because they're supposed to be better for you, supposedly.
Yeah, but why are there no big packs so you could just stock it up?
I don't know.
Only 20
They have
counts?
16, they have 20.
This is only enough for maybe 1 to 2 periods. 1 actually. I don't think it's gonna be enough, but okay. I'm thinking of getting something like this. I need some bloat digestive gummies. Sometimes I get bloated randomly. Is it the foods I'm eating? But I do eat fruits and veggies, so I don't know. This is $20 and maybe I'd rather have a drink rather than gummies. We'll see. Band-Aids. Oh, look at the cute Disney ones. So cute. I also come over to this section. I didn't know EOS had a mini body wash. Okay. But what things would you actually want to bring? Batiste dry shampoo in their original scent, Classic Clean. $5.49 for the mini. More Batiste. For all the vanilla girlies, they have French. Ooh, this is buy 3 get 1 free. A little mini vanilla cashmere vanilla spray. I actually want a travel size spray as well to go in my emergency kit, but I already know what I'm gonna do. I love the Bear spray from Victoria's Secret, and I originally got the travel size. It's gone now, so I need to get the full, and then I'm also gonna get another travel size to go in my bag. Okay, look at this hair oil. $6.99. Wait, what's the brand? Odell for high shine plus hydration. This brand also has a body mist. Hair plus body mist. Rosewood vanilla. Finery scents in minis. Starface and Mighty Patch have their pimple patches. $6.99 for both. Oh, this one's $7.99. I'm actually looking for oil blotting sheets. Where would I be able to find that? Sometimes I'll be out and about and I look at my skin, it looks oily and I'm like, oh, And sometimes I don't want to just slap on press powder or setting powder to get rid of the oil. So I just grab a tissue or paper towel, anything to blot it. They actually have sheets for that though. But where? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna search Target oil blotting sheets. What aisle is this in? Yay, finally found them. Up and Up, $4.99. Ooh, $4.99. Hello, I thought it was gonna be cheaper than this. I'm not even gonna lie. It comes with 100. What the heck? Why can't I put it back? Oh, this is such a fail. Stop. Okay, 100 count. Oil absorbing sheets. Helps remove oil on contact. Resists smearing makeup. Unscented. Perfect, because sometimes you have an oily face even with makeup on and you don't want to wipe off your makeup, so definitely trying those. Random clearance section, and they have bags. This one actually might make a nice basic bag for my emergency kit. Oh, and great, I dropped it. I have a blue fluffy one that I got from a friend for free. I want something that wouldn't be so hard to clean if something were to spill. The inside of this looks manageable. What do you think? Do you think $7 is a lot? It's on clearance.
You want to put it in your purse?
Yeah, in my bag.
Okay.
It can't be too big.
Right. You just need a few essentials. You like this one?
These are $10, so I like this color. It's like a mauve. Perfect. Now I have a bag to put it all in. We saw NYX trying to branch out, and look at Elf doing it up in the hair section too. They have a treatment oil, $10.
So tiny.
These are cute though. I love this packaging. They know what they're doing. Anti-frizz styling spray.
$10.
Shampoo, conditioner. I'm looking for some regular schmegular hair ties, but Target always has something different. $7.99. I'll go to Walmart for my hair ties. Oh wait, there's more here. It's always good to have hair ties or a scrunchie in your bag. You never know when you want to tie your hair up.
Is this one? Or, this is really big.
Yeah, oversized scrunchies.
Those are good for your hair.
In Ulta section of Target now. Would you guys get mini makeup for your emergency kit? For me, this is too much. Like, I'll just do my makeup in the morning and then call it a day. Truly. I always like getting extra gum for school. Polar Ice is my favorite. I love this flavor. I'm most likely gonna get one of the big 3-packs of it for school. For my emergency kit, I wanted to get watermelon, but just the regular size. They don't have that. Should I just go ahead and get this anyway? Why not? We're here. All right, everyone, that is it for today's video. I would say the emergency kit shopping that I do every year is very similar because I like getting the same things, my good old trusty dusty products. I think the only new things that I got today were the EOS hand cream, oil blotting sheets. Oh, maybe I got one other thing that was different. Oh, the secret deodorant in the mini size. If you guys haven't seen my past back to school emergency kit shopping videos, make sure to check those out after this one. Give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see you on the next one. Love you all. Bye.